So okay, let's see this question number 24. This is a very important question here. There is an application of trigonometry. So here in this question, this figure is given in which AP, this is the height of a man. A man is looking the top of the building. This QB is the height of the building. So this man from this point is looking the top of the building and it's making an angle of 30 degree. This angle is known as the angle of elevation. When an angle is forming by looking at top of a building or anything, so that angle is known as the angle of elevation. Here I have shown this. From this point, this angle is forming at the top of a building. So this angle is known as angle of elevation. And if suppose the person from the top of a building is looking down to a point, so it's forming this angle with this. So this angle is known as angle of depression. And always this angle of depression is equals to angle of elevation. So this concept we will use here. Here this is equals to 30 degree. This is 1.8 and this whole height of building is 13.8. So we have to find the distance between the person and the building. This is AB, or we can say PC. This we have to find. So in this triangle, if we know this side QC and the angle is there, so by comparing the ratio we can find PC. So first of all we have to find this side QC. So now let's see. From the figure, QC is equals to QB minus BC. This is the total height QB and this is the height of this man. These both are equal. So from QB, if we subtract QC, we will get this BC, then we will get QC. So QC equals to QB minus BC. This is 13.8 minus 1.8. So it will be 12. Okay, now in this triangle PQC, PC upon QC equals to cot 30 because this is perpendicular and this is base. So perpendicular upon base is cot theta. So this is 30 degree angle. So it is cot 30. Now PC upon 12 is root 3. It's the value of cot 30. So like this we have calculated PC. PC is equals to 12 root 3. This is the answer. Okay, so now question number 25. This is also a very important question. The last question of this exercise. So let's see this. Question number 25. In the adjoining figure, ABC is a triangle. So first draw the figure. This is 60 degree angle and this is 45 degree. So in the adjoining figure, ABC is a triangle in which B equals to 45 degree and C equals to 60 degree. As shown in figure, if AD is perpendicular to BC, this side AD is perpendicular to BC, and BC is equals to 8 meter. The length of this BC is 8 meter whole BC. Find the length of the altitude AD. So here we have to find this AD. Okay, so what we will do to solve this question? So here there are two triangles forming. Okay. So by comparing these two triangles, there are two triangles here and AD is common in both the triangles. So by comparing the ratios from both the triangles, we can find this value. So what we will do actually, suppose we can take this BD as X. Okay, and DC will be, this whole is 8. So this will be 8 minus X, like this. Okay, so first we are taking this triangle. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. So AD upon BD is is equals to tan 45. Yes, so AD upon BD we have taken x is equals to 1 because the value of tan 45 is 1. So now AD is equals to x. This is your first equation. Okay, similarly from this triangle, in triangle ADC, so this is your AD upon DC. It will be AD is perpendicular and this is base. So it will be tan 60. So root 3. Okay, so AD from this equation AD is equals to x. So in place of AD we can write x. So x upon DC, and the DC is 8 minus x. So is equals to root 3. So now x is equals to 8 minus x root 3. Now we will solve this here. So it will be x equals to 8 root 3 minus x root 3. So we will take this here, x plus x root 3 is equals to 8 root 3. Then x we are taking common, 1 plus root 3 is equals to 8 root 3. Now x is equals to 8 root 3 by 1 plus root 3. So this is the value coming, but I told you that whenever the denominator is coming in rational numbers, so we have to rationalize the denominator by taking the conjugate. So x will be equals to 8 root 3 upon 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3, 1 minus root 3. Okay, so after that I am solving here. So it will be x equals to, we are multiplying 8 root 3 by 1, so 8 root 3 only. Then 8 root 3 into root 3, so it will be 24. And here a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So x will be, we can take 8 common here. So it will be root 3 minus 3 divided by minus 2. So it will cancel out. X equals to minus 4 root 3 minus 3, or we can write in positive value x equals to, we can take 4 here and here 3 minus root 3 like this. So this is the final answer. Okay, so this is all about this exercise, and tomorrow we will start next concept. Complementary angles is there only, and I will tell you about the supplementary angles as well. Yes, a little concept that is touching according to your syllabus that I am only covering. Otherwise there is too much detail in that. So that is in the 11th class, but a little concept I am telling you. Okay. So